Good morning. Welcome to this morning show, and we are set up for a buy stop on gold straight away. So, what I'm looking at, or what I'm seeing this morning, is we are breaking vertical resistance here. We've actually got some resistance here, or point of interest, which we're testing now. And if we can break through that price, so looking for us to open above this vertical resistance here, uh, got a resistance level. If we can break through that, we got a buy stop just above that position. So I'm working with a new mic this morning. I was hoping Mandela could join us. Let me know if it's working. So I've got it on auto levels at the moment. So I might just put myself on mute and quickly play myself back to make sure it's working. So yeah, this morning, we're just on a paper trade again. I'm not trading live this side of Christmas. We'll start fresh in January with Top Step and Apex. And if you look at the thumbnail, we should have a big announcement for Mandela and I, probably towards the end of this week, maybe next week, with the 5%ers. So we're just talking to those guys at the moment, and potentially they'd like us to do one of their challenges live on YouTube. So yeah, we'll see what the new year brings for Forex. So we haven't done Forex for quite a while on the channel. So yeah, it'd be quite good to actually get a Forex challenge running alongside futures. So yeah, at the moment Mandela's on one tick. So yeah, he's definitely still in Central, or he's in his Christmas holidays have come early. So okay, so that's what we're looking at the moment. Same strategy. So we're looking for a buy indication, looking for a price to break this 9 moving average, looking for a break above the Heikin-Ashi, which we got, and we're just testing around this vertical resistance level here. So yeah, I'd like the price to break above here, push through his point of interest, which is a resistance level, and we got a buy stop in at 2623.1. So yeah, trading gold futures this morning, but maybe after Christmas we'll be trading gold on the Forex. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. So I'm just going to put myself on mute quickly and just play back just to make sure the mic's working properly. Yeah, that's working fine. So yeah, big shout out to Mandela for my new microphone. I think it's called Shure. It's a Shure mic. Yeah, it's the business, fair play. It's top quality, so I'm really happy. So thanks Mandela and the family for a early Christmas and birthday present. It's really appreciated. So any questions, please drop them into the chat. Mandela should join us in about 10-15 minutes. We'll run through the high impact news. We'll talk about the news yesterday. It was a good outcome for the dollar. You know, gold collapsed. Some of the cryptos pushed down as well, and GBP and USD also took a dive. So yeah, it was a good day, good announcement for the dollar yesterday, and we'll cover that later on. And I'm just looking at my FX book, and there's a lot of news coming out today as well. So I just don't think it's the best time to be live trading from now until Christmas. So yeah, we're just gonna run through the strategy. And what I've also got is one of today's sponsors, which is STSForex.com. Yeah, we can see them here, and we're actually looking at the strategy they've got as well. So potentially they'll set up for a buy pretty soon. I'm just hoping they can just align with each other. And yeah, and we might just actually increase our position as well if we take this buy. So that's what I'm looking at this morning. Any questions, yeah, drop them into the chat. And we're in the trade now, so we can see we're breaking through this resistance level here. And if we get a confirmation with STS Forex, we'll probably just double this position. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. Just want to take that on Top Step. Okay, let's take this trade.
Order filled.
Let me just check this is right. 23.4. Let's get this up. Okay, so you can see I've marked in the Asian high and the Asian low. So what we'd be looking for later on in the day is the price to break out of here. So normally like the price to break out, retest, and then I'll probably take an additional long position today. So okay, let's watch this trade. So yeah, we took a short position yesterday on gold, which paid off. Yeah, from 7 p.m. we can see how the news affected the price. So yeah, we had a good day yesterday on the paper trades. Would be nice if that was real, right? But yeah, we push it up nicely into our profits. That's going to be our trade for today. And what we will do, yeah, we push it up quite nicely. So let's see if we can get us into the TP. What we will do is, once we get to about 3/4 of the trade, we will put our stop loss to break even. So I want that out. There we are. Okay, stop into break. There we go. And we do the same here. So
Order filled.
there, I didn't have time to do it. So yeah, great start. Straight into our take profit. So yeah, nice and easy trade this morning. If I was trading, I'd be done for the day. That's it. Yeah, just one good trade a day is all I need. And we took, yeah, we took 3K on that trade. Again, it's a shame it is a paper trade. It's just good practice just to get back into the system before the new year. So just to quickly go through that trade again, why we took it. So we've got a buy indication here. The price opened above the Heikin-Ashni. We had the vertical resistance here. We broke through that. We broke the resistance level that was here, and the price pushed up into our take profit. So it's going to be a quick show this morning. So we've done our one trade straight into our TP. I might keep streaming to see if we can get a signal from STSforex.com. And let's have a quick look at today's news. So today, what's going to be let's have a look at the high impact. So we got some high impact news from the UK. Got some interest rate decisions, and we're expecting that news to come out the same. So it shouldn't have a big impact. But the UK at the moment is not doing too well financially, so we could see this coming out adverse. And into the US, so around 2:30, around 2 p.m. 2:30, we got jobless claims from the US, high impact. So yeah, be mindful of this on the US Open. And then we've got GDP growth, existing home sales. So yeah, we got some high impact news, which is going to have a big effect on the market today. And just be mindful of news when it comes out of Japan as well. That can also affect the gold and the dollar. So yeah, action-packed day of news. So I'd be mindful to stay out. So we got the price pushing up. Let's have a quick look. So what I'm looking at is, that's my trade done for this morning. Just get back to my coffee. And what I'm going to do is set an alert around here. I'll set an alert here. Once that price goes off, then I'll be looking for a break above the Asian high or the Asian low. If we get the break here, I'll be looking to take a long position. So I'd be looking something like this later on. So I'd like the price to push through. I'd like to open above the Asian high. Close above the Asian high is probably going to retest, right? Expecting the price to pull back. and then push one final push to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at later on today. And we've got a signal with STS Forex. We've actually missed it, right? Yes, this, the yellow line, that was our entry line. Here's our stop. I'm going to take profit 1, take profit 2. What I might do is see if the price actually retests, pulls back into these levels here, and I might take another long position. So while we're waiting for that, I would just like to say a big thank you to TradeZella for sponsoring this morning's show. This is the only tool you need to become profitable, so jump over to TradeZella.com. Treat yourself for Christmas. It's a fantastic tool, you know, for your analytics, notebooks, reporting, back testing, replay. You've even got the playbook as well, so you can go back through all your trades. So you can see here, you know, keeps a diary. So you've got your dates, what your return was, how many trades you took. Yeah, so as I say, powerful and automated trade journaling. You can analyze your trading stats. Yeah, you can get some key insights. Like I say, every day you can leverage up to 50 reports to monitor your trading progress. And you can ask yourself, do you have a profitable strategy? So with you can get yourself the Zella score, and you can actually analyze your strategy performance over time. So you can get your win rates, your net profit and loss, and what you're expecting from each trade. And then you can take it one step further. You can actually backtest, replay, and help yourself improve. So yeah, jump over to TradeZella.com. Fantastic tool, and why not treat yourself for Christmas? You know, I think we all deserve it, right? It's been a tough year. And if you're new to trading and you don't really know where to start, jump over to stsforex.com. So all-in-one complete trading package. Shout out to Kenneth over at stsforex.com. I've actually been through all his training. You can actually see I'm actually a member of STS Forex, and teach you all about trading, so you know the basics of technical analysis, and he also has some really good price action indicators to help you trade. So they give you suggestions, you know, where your stop loss should be, your entry, take profit 1, take profit 2. They have the system over there for the guys who are still on MT4 and MT5 called TV Trading Blast. It's pretty good. So it actually tells you which trades to take and if they're favorable or not. Get yourself a risk calculator, and it actually gives you the market direction as well. So you got your auto trades level indicator as well. That's really good. Just you know, that's what I've actually got on the trading view right now. You got the naked trading strategy. So yeah, whatever you need for trading, whatever suits your style, get over to stsforex.com. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Okay, so for today we've taken the one trade. I'm happy. I'm probably not going to take another trade. Gold is showing bullish momentum through all the charts from M5 up to H4. So potentially I will be looking for the Asian breakout sometime today. If we don't get that by 2:30 p.m, I'll be going over to Mandela's 5-minute breakout strategy. So yeah, just gonna say thanks for watching. Happy trading. Oops, we got a comment. Good morning, Ken. I know it's really early for you. And favorite free trading view indicators. So what I'd say firstly, this is my favorite from myself, stsforex.com. It's fantastic. Let me just show you what this can do, the power of this indicator, right? So we took a bit of trade here. After taking this trade, you would have been 3/4 into take profit. So we would have put that to a break even. Next trade was a sell. We would have jumped in around here. We would have gone into take profit 1, very close to take profit 2. The next trade then we would have entered, we would have waited really for around this blue and yellow entry line. That would have been a good entry. And even if we caught the trade late, yeah, we smashed through the take profit 2 level. Next trade we would have taken as sell, straight to take profit 1. So yeah, this is probably my favorite indicator. If we're to say my favorite tree could be the VWAP from Lux Algo. I do like to put the VWAP on the chart. Just gives me an idea of which side the buyers and sellers are sitting on. But good morning, Ken. I know it's really early for you, so thanks for joining. And hopefully, maybe tomorrow, Ken, if you're available, I'll send you the link for StreamYard and you can jump in. Good afternoon, Mandela.
Good afternoon, Andrew. I'm sorry I'm a bit late today as well. Sounds like you've been on for a while this morning.
No, it's on at 6:30, but it's been pretty action-packed. So yeah, we got no trade. Taking a take profit. I did explain in paper trading this side of Christmas, and potentially the two of us will be going head-to-head on Forex in the new year. And I've just been showing the strategy, what we've been doing. So we went through the strategy that I've been using, and also with STSForex.com, you can just see the power of the strategy. So it works on Forex, futures, works on crypto. So yeah, that's what we're going through. And actually, Ken is in the chat, so I'd really like to get him onto the show. Let him take control, actually share his screen and show us some of the Forex trades he takes, and show us TV Blast and the ATL here.
Oh yeah, that would be amazing.
So yeah, also with Ken, he's a seasoned Forex pro, so we'll get him onto the investing blueprint as well. So we'll arrange that with him. It'd be fantastic to get him onto the show. I've learned so much from him. I've been through all his training material over the years. So yeah, really happy he's in the chat. So yeah, brilliant. I'm over the moon. But you know what? It's over to you now. I've been carrying this show for 18 minutes, and I don't think I got much more to say. So I've quickly gone through the news, but I would like to talk about yesterday, if you can take that over.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, yesterday was a big day for markets. I think not many people were expecting such a big move, and I think you've caught the right side of it, Andrew, this morning. So the Federal Reserve came out and they did reduce interest rates by 0.25%, which was expected. But the part that I think surprised most people was that they said they're not going to be reducing interest rates as much in 2025. So let's see if I can just pull this up quickly. And I do apologize for my tardiness this morning. I feel like I'm coming late to the party here, Andrew. But yeah, I think that today should be interesting. It looks like you caught a nice bounce on gold. I'm guessing you got in and out on that bounce higher.
Yeah, so I caught the trade yesterday on the news. Yes, we had a cracking trade. Where's it by? Yep. It's always the same when it's a paper trade, right? But,
yeah. So I'm guessing you shorted yesterday.
I shorted yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, so my goodness, yeah.
So since Trump won the election, I'm favorable on gold. On the dollar. I think we're going to see a strong dollar over the next few years.
Yes, and you messaged me yesterday, and I guess it was the starting signs of the stronger dollar early yesterday, and then it just continued throughout the whole afternoon.
Yeah, no, it was great. Yeah. And I've just caught a bit of a retracement or a rebound today. And before we jump on to the news, just while we got Ken with us, just want to show the power of the STSForex.com. So you can see Bitcoin 5-minute chart, and we can see we had a nice entry level here, take profit 2. We had an entry here, again smash through, take profit, entry here, take profit 1, take profit 1, take profit 2. So yeah, really good. It's really powerful, and you're not going to win them all, right? But if you're a good risk to reward on the day, if you can limit yourself to 3 or 4 trades, you're going to be favorable most days. So yeah, definitely check those guys out.
Yeah. It's great to have them on board as well. Really, really awesome.
So, right. Would you like to cover the news, or should we just go straight to the charts?
I'll just summarize the news yesterday, which was basically Federal Reserve interest rate, dollar went up. Anything that's paired to the dollar went down. So gold would have gone down. S&P did go down. NASDAQ went down. Dow Jones went down. And it was basically off the back of the FOMC economic projections yesterday at 7. So for today, I don't know. We'll have to see if people start to pick up the pieces. We do have the UK Bank of England interest rate decision at 12. So that could be interesting for anybody who trades GBP pairs. And then 1:30, we have GDP out of the US and initial jobless claims. So it could be another sort of rocky day today. Interesting to see what happens around 1:30. But those are the main headlines for Thursday, 19th of December.
Okay, and let's jump over to everyone's favorites. Have a look at Bitcoin, shall we?
Yeah, sure. Bitcoin here, it was also down because it's compared to the dollar. So yesterday, we would have gone from an all-time high on Tuesday, I think that was, yeah. And Wednesday, we got the news. And just completely, this is when the news came out, more or less here.
Oh, there was some crypto buy tears yesterday, right?
Yes, absolutely. So the good thing is, so I feel like a part of me is like, well, why didn't you short? But I think it's you're not going to catch them all, like you said. I'm very, very grateful that I did not lose anything yesterday. There was no expenses. So it's amazing to see these types of moves, even this last one, just to take out any possible long stop losses. A lot of tears, Andrew. A lot of tears.
Yeah, a lot of tears, but yeah, still pushing above 100k, right? So still a good move from the 70s. So yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, but it did.
Yeah,
it did. I was just gonna say it did go below, which is interesting. It did touch below.
Yeah. So what I find with crypto seems to respect the quarters theory. So normally so 100k, that would be good support or resistance. So we can see, obviously we tested that yesterday and we're back above it. So yeah, we could see some strong support around 100k. So yeah, this just could be like a correction before we get another move up. I don't trade crypto, just a holder, right? So the price, if you're holding crypto, is still an amazing price, compared to what it was. What about Ripple? Did XRP take a dive as well?
Let's see. Drum roll, please. Crypto. There you go. You sound very, very polished, Andrew.
Yeah, I've already given a shout out to yourself and the family for the early Christmas present.
Of course.
Yeah, this Shure mic, it's top quality. So I was over the moon yesterday.
Yeah, it sounds like I'm listening to Joe Rogan or something. I don't know.
I had to practice my Rogan impression.
XRP looks like it just looks like the same as Bitcoin, down, and then just recently just getting a bit of a dip by a little bounce here, but down from the highs of 2.7, 272. And we hit as low as $2.17.
It's a big drop, right? But yeah, it's a big drop of 30% of the price. So I'll keep an eye on XRP. So did you trade the S&P yesterday?
I did not. So I watched it just drop and drop and drop. I didn't trade it. We do have family visiting, but that is just, oh my
Wow.
gosh, carnage, carnage. So I wasn't able to really get in anything. But like, look, can you see that? Oh man, oof.
Yeah, but
A lot of
it's,
people lost money yesterday.
probably goes to the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. We got a big liquidity void there, right? So potentially we could see that climb up slowly just to just to fill that, just to rebalance that market. So
Yeah. Yeah, that would be an interesting sort of bounce play today. We'll see. We'll have to see. Yeah, Fibonacci's as well. We went down to below the 78.6 Fibonacci. So I think today could be an interesting day.
Yeah,
We'll
no, I'll
see.
be
Are you,
watching. I'm going to put the S&P on. I'm going to watch that. I think we have got a large, fair value gap, if people want to call it that, or liquidity void, and we could be looking to we could see a push up before we get the next clear move. So yeah, for myself, I'm actually done for today.
Yeah.
So let me just add this to this. So yeah, with the top step, we took a trade. We took a winner. You can see here. Again, we're on the practice account this side of Christmas. And what I'm going to wait for is with the Asian high here. So potentially we're going to get a break through this. I'll wait for the retest. And I'm going to take a long position. And apples for apples, right? So I've got the two charts here. And yeah, I'll be using Ken's indicator. It's great. I've actually got it on the low risk. So I might just change the risk on the stop. And but at the moment we can see multiple charts. Gold is looking strong this morning, but yeah, we done our trade. We were in and out in less than 5 minutes. So yeah, it was great.
Yeah, those are the best. Those are the
news.
best. Yeah, well done.
So yeah, just I think before we wrap the show up, because I think I'm done for today. It's great, isn't it? Like jump on, trade, win, got the day free.
Yeah, that's the best. That's the best.
Yeah, but probably gonna go through some of the training, some of the STS Forex.com trainings. Give me some time actually to revisit that training. And I am expecting that book today from Brian Shannon on VWAP. So yeah, looking forward to receiving that. And like I said, I'm going to leave the phones at home and go and sit in a park or go down to the beach and have a good read. So that's it for today, unless you've got anything else to add.
Brilliant. No, great show. Fantastic. And have a great day today. And we get one step closer to the holidays. And if you can, when you finish that book, I'd like to have a look through it if that's possible.
Yeah, I'll send it up to you once I finish. And yeah, thanks to Ken for tuning in. I know it's really early hours in the US, so much appreciated. And Ken, what I'll do, I'll reach out to you to arrange to jump on the show with us one morning. And also Mandela, myself and PJ, we'd love to do an interview with yourself on the Investing Blueprint.
Yeah, great to have you on, Ken. Looking forward to continued contact and learning more about you.
Fantastic. Right then, Mr. Central Time, I will see you tomorrow morning.
They say it takes a while to adjust to a new time zone. So I'll just leave it with that.
Yeah, but how many years has it been now?
Not even one. Anyway.
Yeah. Listen, we're nearly there, right? We've got a show tomorrow morning. We've got the US Open tomorrow, and then we are done for Christmas. So what I might do over Christmas, I might just put some free training, some free technical videos together, just to show people how to mark up support, resistance, vertical support and resistance, and yeah, just an easy way to mark your charts up. There's lots of tools on TradingView. You don't need to do it manually. You can just type in your indicator, support and resistance. There's plenty of free indicators. Mm-hmm. But yeah, if you're one of the purists and like to do it yourself, I'll show you how to mark your charts up on a Sunday evening or early Monday morning.
Yeah, that would be a great show. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Mandela. I always say goodbye, but we WhatsApp throughout the day, so I'll catch you on WhatsApp in about an hour.
Yeah, sounds good, Andrew.
Excellent.
Have a great
Thanks.
day.
You too.
Okay, thanks.